Better not hit my whip, bitch. Yo, just back up. Come on, bro. Like, how hard is it? Literally, like... Oh, okay, now you got it. Why you being nosy? Get out of my shop, bitch.